this is Sonya with RC Solutions, and welcome to week 31 of using up scraps. And this week, I sewn in some signatures, 2 of them. One of them went in correctly. You know, this one went in fine. But then my other one didn't want to cooperate. I didn't know that I had accidentally sewn it in upside down. So my way of fixing it was to just simply add in some stickers and some scrap papers and things like that. And I'll show you along the way like what all I did. So what I basically, these 2 signatures were sewn in into some gussets, like kind of like your scrapbook type gussets. And so once they're in, they are in. You know what I mean? So I had sewn them into here first, then I added this to the book, this black to the book. So that was effort. This was my first time ever doing one like that. So the way I fixed my flaw was, like I said, I just added some stickers and, you know, another sticker, some of the words from the Vintage Summer Road Trip kits, my kit from the Multimedia Crafts Digital Etsy shop, Pham's from Livie's Lovelies on her Etsy shop, as well as Thelisha's from hers on her We're Baking and Crafting Meet. And I'll have links in the description of where some of these kits came from. Let me set that down. So basically, like I said, I just took some scrap papers and then just added them to kind of cover up the upside down page. And then the second page, I took a magazine cover, because since this book is like a road trip theme, I just thought this was appropriate. It's like a sky bridge, or it's a bridge. So I just took it and made it into a pocket, a tuck spot. But you can see where the page was upside down. You see what I mean? It was supposed to have been like so. Okay, and so that's how I fixed that page. This one wasn't too bad because it was already just a magazine page. So either way, it was going to work. This one worked because it was solid. And this page worked because you can have text on either side. So that worked out good. This one kind of worked, even though the words are upside down. It still works simply because I can cover it and it's really faint. So that's not too bad. Now this one here I had to do some work with, simply because this vehicle was originally up here facing that way. So I had to take some papers, some scrap papers, and tear them up and add them to this right here to fix the page. And then I added this car also to fix it. And when you turn the page, you can kind of see the shadow of what the page should have looked like. I don't know if you can see through that or not, but that's where the car was. Okay, and then I did the same thing with this page. This is a little tuck spot here, and then I just added some journaling spots. And this was just a Tim Holtz paper that I had folded over to originally make into pockets. And the pocket was, like I said, supposed to go like this. But since it was upside down, I just added a piece of journal page from the Dollar Tree. I bought like a little journal book from the Dollar Tree, and I just took it out and added it on here. So, but you can still tuck stuff up in there. This page is okay. This one is okay because it doesn't matter the direction of the text. The sheet music worked out okay. This worked out okay because it's solid color. And then this Tim Holtz, I think it was memoranda paper, it worked out okay. However, these glassine bags, they were supposed to be pockets, but I decided to just leave it as is, and then we'll just figure it out from there. And then, just like I said, the sheet music's okay. This one's okay because of the way the text is. This one is okay because of the way the text is. It actually works out pretty good that way. But then once again, we have this pocket that was supposed to go like so. But now it's going to go like this. And same thing with that. And then this page I had to do similar to the way I did this page. So I just took this right here with some glassine that I had printed, not glassine, but what do you call it? Vellum. I had printed this image out on vellum. So you can, if you stick something down in there, it's still transparent, so you can still see. So, and I just had a white backdrop. This came from a label that I had left over, and I just glued the bottom of this to here, and then just glued that label on. So now we've got like a vellum pocket. And then I just added some decorations, some cutout ephemera, and some more journaling paper. And this page was okay, this page was okay, this page was okay, since these were just photos. This one's okay. It's a little bit upside down, but it's okay because it's faint enough that it just kind of blends in. And then this final page was like the very first page where I had to I added some things to it. I did the same thing with this one right here. Just added a belly band and a sticker and just some ephemera, so you can tuck something in there. But yeah, that's basically how I fixed my mess up. So if you ever accidentally sew in your journal signature upside down, you can always fix it just by adding some scraps, stickers, ephemera. Just decorate it, because once it's in there, it's in there. Now if you know another way to fix it, like to turn the whole entire thing around, please leave a link in the comments section. If you know of a video of someone who has done that and what they've did to fix that problem, please let me know, because I would love to know how to fix it, because I was devastated when I had finally sewn in my signatures. I was ecstatic. I was like, I finally have some sewn in signatures into these gussets. I was ready to start decorating, and then I noticed that, and I was just, it's such a blow. So I hope you guys like this video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and check out some of my other videos in my blog and my social media sites. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching.